Coming up is an educational video that will help you increase your bottom line in a big way. Stay tuned for more such videos.
Hello everybody, I'm Anand Mulay, the proprietor of Renuka Tools. We are a customized indexable cutting tool manufacturing company based in Chhatrapati Sambhajinagar, Maharashtra, India. Today I'm making this video to talk to you about how you can increase your bottom line. This is a solid carbide tool. Today, as we all know, that globally the solid carbide prices are skyrocketing. In today's machining, it's not just the second that counts, it's also the penny that we spend behind it that matters a lot. So today, if you are relying heavily on these solid carbide tools for all your heavy machining applications, let me tell you one thing, you're not just cutting metal, you are bleeding profits. What if I tell you that there is a smarter way of machining? A way wherein you don't throw away your money with solid carbide tools, but you switch to the advanced indexable tools by Renuka Tools. It is time that you need to stop wasting money on solid carbide. Think about the shear waste. Once the corners wear out, you have to throw this. Whereas with Renuka Tools indexable tools, the tool body stays. All you have to do is just replace the insert. And the cost savings, absolutely mind-boggling. Let's look at the real-world applications. If you're doing reaming with solid carbide, replace that with boring from Renuka Tools. Starts from 5 mm onwards and goes up to whatever diameters you want. If you're doing thread milling with solid carbide tools, try replacing them with thread mills from Renuka Tools with indexable inserts. Similarly, end mills, ball nose. If you're doing CNC turning, you can replace small diameter ID boring, ID threading, ID grooving tools of solid carbide with the indexable options from Renuka Tools. All in all, what I mean to say is, you let us know what is your machining requirement and we can give you a solution in indexable cutting tools. In today's hyper-competitive market, staying cost competitive is not a strategy, it is survival. Every rupee, every dollar you save from these expensive carbide tools goes directly to your bottom line. Well, results in outbidding your competitors and winning bigger contracts. At Renuka Tools, we don't just manufacture tools, we engineer profitability. Stop wasting your money on carbide, upgrade to indexable, maximize your margins, contact Renuka Tools today and revolutionize your shop floor, your bottom line. Thank you.
Contact us for all your inquiries and connect with us on YouTube and LinkedIn.